August 10th, 2024 here at the Dark Lofts. It's about 2:50 in the afternoon. Me and Jace just came back home. And right there, our bird that was gone yesterday. That's gonna be number 33. Oh, it looked like one. See, now looking at him, it's our shadow line bird. It's a beautiful one too. Wasn't sure which guy was gone yesterday, but look at that. Beautiful black. See, we have one black in a cage, but yeah, this is a shadow bird. Awesome, at least he's back. Let's see if we can check his band number. I see a 0. Oh, right there. There, Jason. It's 30, number 30. 30. So, yeah, right there. Our shadow bird, shadow line, number 30. He's back. So we're back up to 33. You know, sometimes they go off. Some good lesson. He found his way back. That's awesome. Green band, so we get plenty time for training. Main thing, he, you know, homed into this loft, and this is his home now. So we're gonna get plenty time for training this bird. It's a green band, so yeah. The Dark Lofts, we're back to 33. Number 30's here, right, Jace?
It's here, yeah.
Big Island of Hawaii. Oh yeah, boom.